How do you like them apples?
Today I'm installing a new transom in my 1990 16 Pike Rebel Special. This is my spoon plug-in boat. I had some problems with the transom's creaking. I heard a lot of creaking and cracking. Seemed like the wood was rotten. So what I did was I removed it. I removed the transom so I could see what it looks like. It's got some water spots on it. You can see where the bolt holes went through. There was a 40 horse two-stroke installed on this thing. I only run a 25, so I have different bolt patterns. I also run a 9.9 on it. But you can see where there's water was leaking certain spots, and especially at the drains plugs. You can see this here as well, on this side. But it's pretty rigid. It's okay. It looks like it's in good shape from the outside. But the inside, it's got cracks in it. It's got hairline cracks down like the layers are splitting. So in the middle, what I was noticing is the transom was flexing. When I give it throttle, it would just flex. So the top here, this top section, seems to be where it's weak. The bottom is fine, but so that's where it seemed to be pretty weak, and so I decided to replace it. So I removed it, made a pattern. Now I've glued this. I use liquid nails. So I use liquid nails to glue this overnight, 24 hours is what it said. Pretty much started about the same time yesterday. Today we're running up on like the 24-hour mark already. So looks like it's in pretty good shape. I did something additionally. I added screws, some drywall screws into the wood. They didn't go that far. They didn't go all the way through. But the purpose of that is because I didn't have enough clamps to keep everything secured while the glue dries. So now I'm just gonna remove some of the screws. And this is just contractor wood, construction wood. If you use treated lumber, it's got chemicals on it that react with aluminum, so not a good idea. Just use your standard wood. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. Got a couple of knots, but heck. And there's my little bit that squeezed out of my liquid nails. Looks good. All right. See, put a little mark on it to help me. I drilled, put a screw here first, and then I installed the 2 pop rivets in the bottom, remove the screw, and put the pop rivet now. All right. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm going to attach the tray, the splash tray, to the transom. See how it's still loose? I put 1 rivet in here, helped out. So we're going to go ahead and install the rest. Let's work our way out here. Push on everything at the same time. All right. Let's see if this works. So I got 2 bolts in. I don't have 3. Remember that? We got a welder on. Everything is on. I'm no master at TIG welding, but I can get it done. Smoking.
Quarter inch. Okay, and then over here it's nice. We're gonna make that fit. It'll mold itself to the angle. All right, perfect. Okay. All right. All right. Okay, nice and tight. See what it looks like. Okay, you can see the repair down there. I added rivets, solid rivets inside here and here. See the 2 rivets right there, and then I got 2 more down here, 2 more down there that are providing support to the transom. When I installed the corner caps, they were back about 1 inch, so I had to put a strap from here, run it to the front of the boat, and crank it. It was basically a come along crank on it until I got the transom forward enough to screw use the 2 screws here on the side and the one on the top, so the holes lined up perfect. I had to do that in each side. That tells you that the transom was laying back too far. These caps provide quite a bit of support to the back of the boat, to the corner of the boat. So yeah, pretty much done. Everything is all wired up. Got my NEMA set up. NEMA's all done. The wiring's done in there, and we're ready to go.